Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to Just Equus.
I like to be able to pick up on the feet here. Ask her to pick up again. Catch your foot. Well, I've shown you this in other videos. I like to be able to pick up on her foot. I want her foot to come forward there. Whenever you get them giving for you, and then pick up and go there. Good. I also like to make sure they'll stop. Move her along a bit. And when there's any pressure, come to a stop and lead it to the inside there. Good girl. And not only to be able to go forward, but to be able to come back. I'm just waiting for her. There she goes. Ask again now. I'm going to allow the other feet to move as well. The other front foot needs to come back. There it goes. Now pick up on this one. There. You're always looking for the easiest way to get things done, not the hardest way. So I'm trying to teach them in all these different areas. Just gently on herself there. My hands are very open. But I found that if you just go to squeezing straight away, they'll brace themselves, and it makes them very hard. I hope there's a few little things in there that you may have seen and like, and if not, let us know in the replies, in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe Just Equus. Thank you.